This mistake is ruining your Amazon business. It's the reason why you will never rank number one, why your top competitors will always sell more than you, and why you'll struggle to turn a profit no matter how much you spend on PPC. But luckily, you can fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to write Amazon listings like a number one bestseller to rank, convert, and grow like never before. Amazon is an amazing platform to be able to reach new audiences and grow your business, but it also has a big problem. Let's see if you can catch on to what this problem is. Now, let's all put our tried and true, trusted customer hats on, get ourselves into the minds of somebody who is going on Amazon to buy a new product. They don't know what brand they want to buy it from. They have a problem. They want a solution, and that solution could be yours. We're not just searching for any old product. We need a new face moisturizer. Maybe me. I live in Las Vegas. It's very dry here. Every time the seasons change, my skin feels like it becomes a snake that is shedding and regenerating. And I need a heavy-duty moisturizer that can help me feel like I am not wearing a parched desert on my face. So let's say that I go to the search bar and I search for face moisturizer. I'm presented with over 40,000 results. Of course, there's absolutely no way that I'm going to peruse through all 40,000 results. And on top of that, there is likely a significant percentage of those that do not actually fit into face moisturizer. And I'm not even using a highly specific keyword to find what it is I need. The more specific that I go, the more at risk I am of seeing products surface that do not even align with what I am searching for. So this is a whole separate topic for another day, but put your customer hat back on. You're searching for a face moisturizer. So we narrow it down. 40,000 is far too much. Let's search for face moisturizer with SPF for dry skin. So we're giving a few different modifiers here to hopefully narrow down the search results and find something that's going to fit our needs. That's pretty specific, but I'm still met with over 4,000 results. That's too much. That's right. Amazon has a choice problem. There are too many. On the one hand, knowing that you can find almost anything that your heart desires on Amazon is a wonderful thing. At the same time, too many options quickly becomes overwhelming and can push customers into analysis paralysis. So we don't want to make this even harder by committing the top mistake that so many Amazon sellers make. I see this all the time. Sometimes it's done knowingly as what feels like a good strategy, and other times it's done by rush or happenstance, or maybe just relying too heavily on AI to get the job done. What am I talking about? You're a copycat. That's right. You heard me. You are a copycat. There's too much choice on Amazon. There are too many options. And then all of these Amazon sellers, including you, like to go and create listings that look identical to your top competitors. But if you're trying to compete against 4,000 or 40,000 other competitors out there, you need to give customers a clear, compelling reason why they should choose you over all of the other options out there. And instead, you want to play it safe, or you think it's good strategy, and so you copy what the top competitors are doing. What are you going to do? If you create a nearly identical listing, customers are just going to have more reason why they're going to choose your competitor. Instead, you really need into creating contrast, differentiating yourself visually, textually, tonally, all of the decisions that you make from the main image and how that contrasts against the others on the search results page, to your title, to your bullets, to your A+ content, to your brand story. Every single piece of content needs to be created to be different than your competitors. Now, not just different for the sake of different strategically, different in a way that is really leaning into who your brand is and who the customers are that you're trying to serve. So you need to create contrast on the search results page to get people to want to click into your listing. You need to have a clear customer avatar to be able to really cater all of your content to speak directly to who it is that you're trying to sell to, so that you can reassure them that this product page is the one that is exactly right for their needs. It's not sort of right, or it's not just the cheapest or the top option and they're far too tired and fatigued to try to go searching any further. But no, this is that holy grail item that they have been searching for, that they were hoping would just magically appear before them, and now you've given it to them. But I'm only telling you this because I want you to be successful. So if this is ringing very true to you and you say, you know what, Emma, you're right, I'm not really leaning into differentiation the way that I need to, fear not. If you would like to get our eyeballs on your listing to see what you can do to make it stronger and get that differentiation piece to make your listing stronger, fill out the free analysis in the link down below, or go to marketingbyemma.com/free analysis, or you can just bypass that altogether and say, hey, Emma, we're ready to work with you. We want to launch listings and optimize our listings to dominate. We would be happy to take it off your plate. You need strong differentiation. You need to help customers understand why your option is better than all of the options that are out there, why they should choose your product, your brand, put their trust in you, because you're going to take such better care of their needs. You're going to give them such a wonderful experience. You're going to make them feel seen and heard, and they can trust you to deliver on your promises. You need a defined brand voice that speaks in a different, authentic, unique way that's going to stand out against all of these other very generic listings that are out there. And this is one of the areas where you can really gain an advantage in the age of AI, because so many sellers are just phoning it in and using their preferred AI tool, be that built into their keyword research tool or ChatGPT or Claude or what have you, to create their Amazon listings. And they may be passable and they may be better than what they were able to generate before, but they lack that depth, they lack that conviction, and they lack that clear brand voice that's going to get somebody to truly be excited about buying the product, not just for the product's sake, but because they're so excited about the brand, because this is a brand that they want to see what else it is that you're selling, because they want to perhaps buy some of the other items, because they know that if this delivers on what it is, that this is going to be a brand that they are going to want to choose over and over again. And don't forget, this is also how you show up off Amazon. So where are you out in the world beyond just the confines of Amazon? How are you showing up on social media, perhaps in retail? How are you engaging with customers over email, on your website? All of these details matter so much, and they should all work together to create a cohesive, compelling story for why your brand is the one that speaks directly to your target customers. And in order to be able to do this incredibly effectively, of course, you must know who that customer avatar is. You must understand what your target customer cares about deeply, how they see themselves, what problems they're trying to solve. And lucky for you, I have a video that goes into the exact step-by-step method that I follow, that I've used to build over 4,500 Amazon listings. In that video, I show you my step-by-step method that I have developed since 2016 to get laser focused on finding that target customer to create truly compelling, craveable content. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and click over to that video to watch it now. I hope to see you over there, but in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Bye.